Welcome to this tutorial on how to cash out your Charles Schwab 401k. If you are considering this option, it is important to understand the process and any potential implications. We will go through the steps you need to take to access your funds. First, you will need to log into your Charles Schwab account. If you do not have online access yet, you can easily sign up on their website. Once you are logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Retirement Accounts or 401k. Click on your specific 401k plan to view your account details and balance. Next, you will want to initiate a withdrawal. Find the option for cashing out or requesting a distribution. You may have to answer a few questions about your eligibility and the reason for the withdrawal, such as leaving your job or financial hardship. Be sure to review any tax implications and penalties associated with cashing out your 401k. After submitting your request, you should receive confirmation from Charles Schwab regarding the status of your withdrawal. Keep in mind that it may take some time for the funds to be processed and sent to your bank account. Make sure to consult with a financial advisor if you have any concerns about the impact of cashing out your retirement savings.